Jai Hind friends, welcome to Raviman IAS Academy's YouTube channel. Our today's video will be on Introduction to UPSC Civil Services Examination, जिसे हम popularly IAS exams भी कहते हैं. So all those who are interested in pursuing a career in civil services, जो IAS बनने का ख्वाब देख रहे हैं, वो ये वीडियो ज़रूर देखिए. We'll cover examination pattern, stages of exam, marks, etc. Union Public Service Commission, that is UPSC, conducts the examination for civil services in India. So let's see who can appear in this exam. You have to be an Indian national. आपका minimum age 21 years होना चाहिए, and you should have at least graduation from a recognized university. So if you have all these three, get ready and start your preparation now. Civil services exams are conducted in three stages. First is the preliminary exam, second main exam, and third is the personality test or the interview. Let's see the preliminary examinations pattern. You have two papers. First is the general studies and second is the CSAT. CSAT paper's full form is Civil Services Aptitude Test. In morning session, general studies paper is conducted. You have objective questions like Kaun Banega Crorepati. One question will be asked and you will be given 4 choices. You have to select the correct one. There will be 100 questions for 200 marks. This means one question weighs 2 marks. Total time duration होगा 2 घंटों का. और penalty भी होगी, a negative marking for 1/3. Questions will be asked in English as well as Hindi. After this, in afternoon session, you'll have your CSAT paper. It will be also objective questions with multiple choices. 80 questions will be asked for 200 marks. But unlike general studies paper, ये paper qualifying nature का है. You should get at least 33%. That is 66 marks. Time duration होगा 2 घंटे और इसमें भी negative marking है of 1/3. You'll also have paper in both English as well as Hindi language. But there'll be a comprehension paper question which will be only in English to test your English language skills. Once you qualify your preliminary exam, you'll be called for your mains examination. The first 2 papers in your mains examination are of qualifying nature. Paper A is of one of the Indian languages of your choices, which will be for 300 marks. Paper B होगा English का, वो भी होगा 300 marks. The marks obtained in these 2 question papers will not be counted in your final ranking. But you have to qualify these papers. Otherwise, your other marks won't be counted and it will be of no use. So let's see the papers whose marks will be counted in your final merit list. Paper 1 will be essay paper. It will be for 250 marks. Paper 2 will be of General Studies 1, which will be for 250 marks, which will comprise questions from Indian heritage and culture, history and geography of the world, and society. Paper 3 will be of General Studies 2. It will be also of 250 marks and questions will comprise from governance, constitution, polity, social justice and international relation. Paper 4 होगा आपका General Studies 3 का. It will be also for 250 marks. It will comprise questions from technology, economic, development, biodiversity, environment, security and disaster management. Paper 5 होगा आपका GS 4 का. It will be also for 250 marks and it will comprise of questions from ethics, integrity and aptitude. पेपर 6 and 7 होंगे आपके ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट्स. इट विल बी ऑफ योर चॉइस. इसमें आपको 2 क्वेश्चन होंगे, 2 क्वेश्चन पेपर होंगे, पेपर 1 एंड पेपर 2, बोथ ऑफ 250 मार्क्स ईच. आफ्टर क्लियरिंग मेंस एग्जामिनेशन यू विल बी कॉल्ड फॉर योर पर्सनैलिटी टेस्ट और द इंटरव्यू. योर इंटरव्यू इज ऑफ 275 मार्क्स. So let's see the marks total. The subtotal of your mains exam, which is your written exam, is 1750 marks and your personality test is of 275 marks as discussed earlier. So your grand total becomes 2025 marks. If you come into the top ranks, that means if you secure the highest marks, you can get the following services. It starts from Indian Administrative Service, Indian Foreign Service, Indian Police Service and so on. You can pause this video and check which all services are available. I hope you like this video. Please share this video with all your friends who are interested in pursuing a career in civil services, जो IAS बनना चाहते हैं. Please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned because we'll be bringing more videos to you on civil services examination. Thank you, friends.